See her permanent picture, she's thinking of giving it to you. But your room's like an ashtray with everything inside just for you. As she turns the other cheek at her peak just to keep out of view. She tries hard to help you, she thinks that's the right thing to do. Oh, you know that she's beautiful, meticulous in thought, deed and style. But she can't stand to see you treating her just like a child. She's not ready for seduction, but she sure wants to learn to be wild. But if you don't show her, she'll only hang around for a while. Tightening grip is squeezing you dry, but you don't notice. You try not to mind if you love her or not, it's just a bonus. But you know it's not true, that home is just a word for the homeless. And now you must decide if you can stand anymore loneliness. Now you must decide if you can stand any more of this loneliness. Now you must decide if you can stand any more of this loneliness. Now you must decide if you can stand any more of this loneliness.